Namaskar, Khushru Vidya. Myself, JV Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is placenta. Placenta is a temporary membranous vascular organ that develops in female during pregnancy. It is expelled after childbirth. Placenta form a link between the fetus and mother. It is considered as an anchor for growing fetus. It is not only the physical attachment between fetus and mother, but also form the physiological connection between the two. Placenta is implanted in the wall of uterus. It is formed through both embryonic and maternal tissue. So it consists of two parts, namely the fetal part and mother part. It is connected to the fetus by umbilical cord, which connect blood vessels and connective tissue. The delivery of fetus is followed by expulsion of placenta. After expulsion of placenta, the umbilical cord is cut. The site of attachment of placenta in the center of anterior abdominal of fetus is called navel or umbilicus. Nutritive functions. Nutritive substance, electrolyte, and hormone necessary for development of fetus diffuse from mother blood into fetus blood through placenta. Excretory function. Metabolic end product and other waste product from fetal body are excreted into mother blood through placenta. Respiratory functions. Fetal lung are non-functioning and placenta form the respiratory organ for fetus. Oxygen necessary for fetus is received by diffusion from the maternal blood, and carbon dioxide from fetal blood diffused into the mother blood through placenta. Endocrine functions. Hormones secreted by placenta are HCG, estrogen, progesterone, HCS, human chorionic somatotropin, relaxin. So in this diagram, you can see mother blood release cholesterol, which reaches to placenta and changes into prenanol, which is converted into progesterone, and pregenolone enter in fetus. It is also released by liver, actone adrenal cortex, and release cortisol. Adrenal cortex release DHEA and 16-OH DHEA, which are converted to estradiol and estrol. Estradiol and estrol are transferred to mother blood. HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, is a glycoprotein. Chemical structure is similar to that of LH. Action of HCG on corpus luteum, responsible for preservation and secretory activity of corpus luteum. Progesterone, estrogen secreted by corpus luteum is essential for maintenance of pregnancy. On fetal testis, action of HCG on fetal testis is similar to that of LH in adult. It stimulates the intestinal cell of lady and causes secretion of testosterone. The testosterone is necessary for development of sex organ in male fetus. Estrogen. Placental estrogen is similar to ovarian estrogen in structure and function. Action of placental estrogen on uterus causes enlargement of uterus so that growing fetus can be accommodated on breast, responsible for enlargement of breast and growth of duct system in breast. Causes enlargement of female external genitals. It facilitates the passage of female fetus through the birth canal at the time of labor. Progesterone on endometrium of uterus accelerate the proliferation development of decidual cell in endometrium of uterus. The decidual cell is responsible for supply of nutrients to the embryo in early stage. On movement of uterus, inhibit the contraction of muscle in pregnant uterus. It is important function of progesterone as it prevents expulsion of fetus during pregnancy. On breast, causes enlargement of breast and growth of duct system of breast. HCS is a protein hormone secreted from placenta. It is often called placental lactose. It acts like prolactin and growth hormone secreted from pituitary, so it is believed to act on mammary gland and to enhance the growth of fetus by influencing the metabolic activities. Relaxin is a polypeptide which is secreted by corpus luteum. It is also secreted in large quantity by placenta and mammary gland at the time of labor. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.